red.
Oh, it is red.
Got some slack there, right?
Black drum and redfish all schooled up. What do you got?
I'm trying to see it.
Pretty nice double.
Yeah. Swamp one in there.
This is a school of nice redfish.
That might be too big.
That's a beautiful red.
24. Oh, that's a
Another red. Yep. He ate that pinfish.
Oh, yeah, that's a
Redfish.
Giant reds. That's a beautiful double right there.
They got Rachel's underneath the boat on this side.
Yeah, just reel down. If it goes under the boat, get it all the way down. Go under that trolling motor.
I got him.
That's a beautiful 30-incher.
Nice job. Good fish. Beautiful red.
Making it look easy now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's swimming right at the
Just
boat.
casually reeled him in. All right, slow it down. Keep reeling it, don't stop it. He sees it, it's coming for it. You got him. Easy peasy.
Oh!
Get him, Rachel, what are you waiting for? Get him! Reel it into him, reel it up to him. Come on, reel it up to him, jiggle it. Just real slow. I'm gonna keep popping it real slow. He's on it. Just keep jiggling it softly. He's on it. Just keep jiggling it real slowly. He's looking at your shrimp real slowly. Don't scare him. You spooked him. Just jiggle it. Jiggle it real slowly. He's about to eat it. Just keep barely jiggling it. Give it little jiggles.
Still on it?
Yeah, keep jiggling it. He's on. He's right behind it. Don't stop it. Go a little faster. Damn it. Little jiggle.